This is an unboxing of an eyepiece I bought from the Rother Valley's Optics, or Rother Valley Optics. And let's open and see what is it. Okie doke. Now I have it. Yes, I have it. Oh god, what is this? Such a well-packed item. Interesting, as the Americans from Brooklyn say. Interesting. Let me see, what is it? Okay, it's written Ryko PENTAX accessories. Oh, it's a PENTAX eyepiece. That's one of the top range eyepieces. Let me see. Okay, now, oh, this packaging goes on. Let me just remove this. Okay, we are getting somewhere. Just remove this. Okay, well packed actually. So far 3 layers, or 4 layers if you count this sticky tapes. So we have another layer of the bubble wrap here, so I've removed that one. Okie doke, let's see what is this. I must say Rother Valley Optics was very quick. I bought it in Monday and it came in Tuesday. So really quick delivery. Now let's see what is written. It's a Ryko PENTAX accessories eyepiece SMC PENTAX XW 3.5. The serial number is CL70511. Let me open it. Oh, a box for eyepiece, proper box. Okay, what is this? Ryko PENTAX XW eyepiece series features. Okay. Oh, this is the 70-degree eyepiece. It's really one of the sharpest, top premium. Especially for planetaries, these are the best. Better than the anything Teleview has ever built. Other than the Nagler zoom. So, there are here also a bolt case. Okay, let me remove this padding here. So I'll remove this pad here. Oh, this is a nice bolt case. Massive. This bolt case on its own is £15. So really nice. 3.5mm. Oh, it's so nice so easy to open. Usually they're stuck. This is so easy to turn and open. You see, class. Turning of it is so easy and smooth. Oh, these grooves are really well engineered. They really match the the screw side on this bottom of the bolt. Anyway, this is the eyepiece itself, PENTAX 3.5mm. I'm going to use it with the Venus and the hopefully Mercury this week, and then for Jupiter and Saturn and Mars. So I heard a lot of good reviews about this, and but I think that this is the best of it, because if you want to use something for planetary, you need magnification. Lower magnification is not good for planetary. Oh, look, you feel the quality. Look at the size of the lens. You feel the quality. The rubber is so good. And you can turn this. Look at the shape of this. It's such a nicely built shape. And it fits inside, not like the other ones outside. So, let me remove this cap also this side. Oof, oozes quality. You can feel. When you touch it, you feel that what the quality product it is. There is something written here, which I can... Okay, Ryko Imaging Company Limited, made in Japan. PENTAX 3.5, SMC PENTAX XW 3.5. Relief 20 millimeter. Oh, you feel when you touch it, you feel the quality. And it can go with 2-inch and 1-inch. This is built practically for spotting scopes, which is for terrestrial daylight viewing. So it should be without any pin cushioning, you know, all these aberrations, chromatic aberrations, and that makes it perfect for using in the astronomical context. So really nice feel to it. And let me just bring a Vane scale and measure the weight. This is a digital Vane scale, and that is set up in grams and made it into 0. And now the weight of it is 430 with the dust caps on. So around 1 pound, yeah, 1 pound weight. It feels really good quality, firm in your hand. I'm going to have a look to the sky with this. The image is crisper than what you can see here when I visually observe it. Okay, all in all, it's a very good quality eyepiece. You can see with the care they have put in preparing this bolt case, 2 foams at both ends, and now you turn it and it goes in. Very smoothly actually, I just need to use both hands. Eyepiece in this range, really having a bolt case it just means quality and I'm happy that I got this. Okay, I'm putting it back in the box until late in the afternoon that I can actually use it on the Venus and Mercury.